Redmond to check out some Khmer food. What's the name of it?
Chicken rice.
Mama Chicken. What?
Mama chicken rice.
Chicken rice. Mama Chicken rice. Here H Mart. Store H Mart. Mà nhằm mà hộp Khmer thì menu at Mama Chicken Rice here in Redmond. It's Khmer Restaurant here. This is a restaurant we just ate. It's called Mama Chicken Rice. It's Khmer Restaurant here in Redmond. Now this is Mama Chicken Rice Restaurant Khmer at Redmond, Washington here. Store hour that they work. They close on Tuesday, but it's working. First time here, and but this is Hang Khmer Redmond. What do you think? We are waiting over Not Chiang Hai, and they always serving chicken here. Chicken rice, Redmond, Washington State here, and there's hot. Some people even when you wait, let's say about 20 minutes because it's a busy hour. Monday, June 30th, 2025 here for lunch actually. Well, here I'm here at Mama Rice here. Busy place. A picture on the wall represent like Clark Club game, but just play Well, the food is here, and we got before you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we are having a chicken and rice here, and combo actually. Oh, fine. Well, I'm here at Mama Chicken Rice. It's at my restaurant here in Redmond, Washington. I have combo. It's a chicken and soup. And some churro and tekrai. In Washington State, it's my restaurant. That's where I'm from also, and I come here to support the Khmer here in Redmond. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, good. Yeah, mostly all chicken. You open from restaurant open from 11 to 4 p.m. afternoon. But to have camel chicken here, Mama, with my chicken, take my food bite, and there's some soup and some churro and stuff. If you want to order the food, this is the barcode that you need to check your order in so they can make your food for you. Thing of joy here. Paying a bill here, you don't need to go cash register. You just pay your own bill on your phone, and after we eat, we done. But you pay loin and it. We just got out from Mama Chicken Rice here, this restaurant that we eat. So it's not bad, but $45. Okay, we just got out from a restaurant. So here we in Redmond, going to H Mart. We are here at Mama Chicken right there, and we are heading home. It's about 20 minutes here. Okay, bye bye.
I feel like you once time as
Yeah,
like a
even
kid.
you young.
We never come back.
Redmond not growing good.
We never come back to it.
No, go straight. You're okay.